This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Snapseed and loading the full resolution photo so details stay sharp. This matters for clean cloning. Once loaded, zoom into the person you want removed and note surrounding textures, patterns, and shadow directions. Make sure to enable the grid for alignment and take a mental snapshot of nearby fills you can sample from. Then tap Tools and choose Healing to begin. This first pass clears small areas and sets you up for more precise work. Now refine the removal by working methodically with the healing tool. Match brush size to the feature you're removing so edges blend naturally. You should use short, overlapping strokes and sample from adjacent areas that match texture and color. This keeps patterns consistent. Once done on mid-size areas, switch to finer brushes for hairlines and clothing edges, and always zoom out to check how the patch reads with the whole image. Repeat sampling. Make small adjustments until finish the edit by tackling complex backgrounds. If healing struggles, use the patch tool to drag matching areas into place or use double exposure with careful masking. Then make subtle global tweaks, structure, details, and ambience sliders, so the patched area matches the rest of the photo. If you spot repeating patterns or artifacts, undo to an earlier step or export a copy and rework that section. You can also use smaller, layered exports to isolate problem areas and preserve a clean history of edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.